an antibody testing study is underway at multiple locations in California to determine just how widespread the coronavirus is there. Officials say this could help determine when the area could safely reopen. Joining me now from Los Angeles, NBC's Gadi Schwartz. Gadi, good day to you on this Easter Sunday. Thanks for joining me. How exactly is this going to work?
Yeah, Alex, it's not just about when we could reopen, but how long COVID-19 has actually been here in California and how many people might already be basically immune. That's because these tests aren't necessarily focusing on people who have symptoms of COVID-19 or think they might have been infected. A lot of these studies are going to be focusing on the general population as a whole to try to learn much more about those asymptomatic carriers, people who might have spread it but never shown symptoms. And so far here in LA County, they've already tested about 900 people with these blood tests that are really looking for those antibodies inside your immune system, whether or not they've seen COVID-19, whether they've come into contact with COVID-19 in the past and learned effectively how to fight it, which would basically make you immune. Up north in Santa Clara, another 3,000 people have undergone similar tests. And according to researchers, these antibody tests will hopefully give us answers as to how deadly COVID-19 actually is. Dr. Neelaj Sood is a lead researcher for one of those studies at USC. Take a listen.
The reason the study is important is right now we've just been testing the sick. So we truly don't know the true extent of the population that might have COVID. There might be many people in the population who had COVID and the infection was asymptomatic and they survived it. So having those people in the calculation will help us truly figure out how deadly this epidemic is.
How many people have it? Such a big question mark still. Up until now, California, we've seen our curve flatten considerably. Our hospitals aren't being overwhelmed. The death toll so far here is drastically lower than New York. It's projected to stay that way, but the reality is California still does not know how many people are infected because not enough people have been tested. Right now, we've got about 21,000 confirmed tests, but out of a state of 40 million, only about 200,000 have been tested. One other very interesting point is we see the curve start to flatten and wonder about how much longer we're going to be under stay-at-home orders, which now have been extended through May 15th. Los Angeles County just released some modeling saying that if we were to relax all the orders and to go back to normal today, they estimate that 95% of the population here in LA County would be infected by August 1st.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.